Turn your patterns into production-ready sheets faster than ever. Upload your seamless patterns and keep everything organized with custom categories and tags so you can find what you need instantly. Choose your pattern, select a sheet size, or create your own custom dimensions to fit your workflow. Then, fine-tune your layout with full control. Scale, rotate, and position your pattern exactly how you want it. See your changes instantly, so there's no guesswork. Add one or multiple watermarks tailored to your sheet size to protect and brand your designs. Save your layouts as presets and reuse them anytime. No need to start from scratch. When you're ready, export high-quality, production-ready files in seconds. Personalize your workspace by adding your logo, adjusting colors, and making the app feel like your own. Spend less time setting up and more time producing.